The footbridge opened to the public today. It is 721 meters long and hangs 95 meters above the ground at its highest point. We came here because we love adrenaline. We came up here by foot and now we are looking for our reward. Named Skybridge 721, it took 2 years to build at a cost of $8.4 million and is suspended by 6 main supporting ropes and 60 wind ropes. It sits at more than 1,100 meters above sea level and connects 2 mountain ridges in the country's northeast region, 200 kilometers from Prague and near the border with Poland. The bridge tops the 516-meter Arouca Bridge in Portugal, which had previously been the longest suspension footbridge. We found out that the 721 meters long bridge became the world's longest later. This was not our primary aim. The length came out from the project when we were finding the place for the entrance and exit to be as direct as possible, so that the visitors have to overcome as low a vertical distance as possible. The new Czech bridge, though, is not without its critics. The Czech Nature Conservation Agency's regional director Michal Servus told Czech TV this week the bridge caused problems with protecting the surrounding areas and changed the environment of the area. Officials hope it will boost tourism in the area by giving a different look at the forested landscape.